So hello professors, my name is Zia Jones. I'm really happy to talk about my application of chat rooms for the homework of FCE. And yes, so there I'm gonna provide a brief demos about these applications. So first I'm gonna run this app. Yes, okay, and then we can see from the server here, then we should log in here from the local host. First, this is a brief login pages, chat room with username and password. Okay, and then I'm gonna log in with the username, for example, Jason. We should input both of the part here, or I'm gonna say, please fill this up, this field. I use a font awesome CDN so that to make it looks better. All right, so in the password we're gonna say 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then join chat. Okay, here we can see that. All right, it looks perfect because and there's a chat box say, okay, welcome to the chat room. The chat history is below this line, right? Because we don't have a chat history here, so we just it's blank here. So okay, I'm gonna log into another users. For example, we call some James, right? James with password 1 2 3 4 with password 999999. All right, then join the chat. You can see that okay, it's also blank. All right, I'm gonna say from Jason we say hello, and then we can say from the James here say okay, I see it's dynamically all hello now immediately, right? Okay, and then James is gonna say hello, and then we come from Jason, we can say that there's a hello too, right? So we can say that we can register for the chat room because both of the user is not registered yet, and it have not yet registered. So we're gonna say it's registered when it's logged in, and then enter the room with the username and password. The other user's chat message is yes, and then we can post the message yes, and then we can try leave the room, right? We can press the leave the room and we go back to the login pages. Let's try like if we input the wrong password, like for example a wrong password, then we can say okay, wrong password. There gonna appear no chat history here, so we're gonna just go back to the login pages and then we should log in again, right? And then we can say Jason, and the password we're gonna say for example just one. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 is password for Jason. Yeah, okay, so we can see from here that we can see all the chat history here, and we can type more stuff. Hello James, and from here we can say okay, hello Jason, right? And then from another users, for example, we log in another users, like call him just Mary, and then the password we're gonna say 88888, right? Then login, we can also see the chat history here of other users, right? So we can also say hello, yes, and then from here we can see from Mary say hello. We can also say hello, yeah, right? The scroll gonna always be at the bottom with the newest message here. So we can also see the Mary here. So we can try hello, not sending it, and leave the room. Yes, there gonna be no message here. We can also try hello and send it. Yes, we can also type enter too. Enter can also send a message, and then we can leave the room. We can still see the James here, right? So we can try logging back with James. James, the password should be 99999, right? 9999, yes, that's the correct password. And we can see this is all the chat history here. So yes, this is just a brief demo about my applications. So all the code stuff I will put it on the GitHub. Yes, this is the server part. Public is the cleaning side. This is what used for to process the message and the user. So yes, I will put it on the GitHub. And then I did rely on several tutorial here. This is a tutorial I see on YouTube. It gave me great help because I'm new to the front side actually. So yes, really thanks for listening, and have a